Assalamu alaikum. This be with all of you.
Every time we do it, it's more like a hiccup that happened in the program. So, last weekend there was a major event that happened. We'll be giving you that report right now. We'll be continuing the Eid report later on. But the event that happened, the big announcement that happened this Thursday, last Thursday, is with us now. So, let's watch it now. Right? Hello? Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Kareem.
Alaikum assalam, Faisal.
Welcome to the program, and thank you very much for being with us. So this is Mr. Kareem Moussa, the sales operating managers from Nokia, and of course responsible for sales here in the middle when it comes to Saudi Arabia and Yemen. First of all, welcome to the program. It's an honor having you here.
It's a pleasure to be with you today.
First of all, if you tell us about the, let's say, the new deal between, when it comes to the major cooperation we're talking about Nokia and Saudi Telecom Company. What's the deal that happened? What service are we talking about?
Well, I'd like to give you a little background. Based on all the research we have and our understanding of consumer needs, these needs have been evolving in a dramatic way over the past many years. We've identified these needs, and we have put together a strategy to address the needs. In doing so, Nokia's strategy is to evolve from being a device-led company into a solution-led company. One of the solutions that you've already touched on the program is OV Maps and navigation, along with the announcement that came out on the 21st of this month, opening up navigation free for all, for life, starting March 1st. The other solution that we are feverishly pursuing here in the kingdom to address local Saudi needs is messaging, and that is with the Nokia messaging solution that is driven by email, consumer email, with the likes of Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, in addition to Elnet and Macom. Another element to Nokia messaging is its chat feature, which will allow you to chat using the common platforms such as MSN Messenger, Gtalk, OV Chat, and the likes. It will also grow as we progress and develop more associations with other companies.
Great, absolutely great. I mean, there are major, let's say, deals that goes on in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia between companies, but when this one's got a scientific importance for, let's say, the users of mobiles in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. One point that I would like to ask you about is the services there. There's an application needed to run this service. Tell us just a bit about the application required to run such service.
Yes, well, to run the service, you need a device, a smartphone-enabled device with Nokia messaging. In addition to that, you need a data plan that is supplied by an operator, such as STC. And when you download the software, the actual setup of email, multiple email accounts, is as easy as 3 steps. So we pride ourselves in having the easiest email setup software. And the same applies to chat as well. So with a data plan, username and password, you are ready to go.
Oh, great. So, I mean, it's not that difficult just to set the whole thing up. And, of course, major question on everybody's mind. I mean, the service is available, but should I go buy a new device, or the availability of it's on all devices of Nokia?
On all new devices that Nokia launches, the NMS, the Nokia messaging service, will come preloaded. For those devices that does not have the software, you can download them on www.email.nokia.com.
Great, absolutely great. I mean, with this service, of course, the application of the whole service, the implementation of it. The 21st of this month, Nokia made a major announcement when it comes to the, let's say, the great deals from OV Maps, and as well another announcements that Nokia said, as well, when you mentioned it, the messaging service from Nokia. Can you just elaborate, give us a bit of details of what went on the 21st of January, last Thursday?
On the 21st of January was the global announcement that we will be opening up OV Maps, our latest version. Those that have devices with older versions can also, through the internet and our websites, download the newest version. It is the most user-friendly and versatile map software that exists. It's linked with the likes of Michelin and Lonely Planet. There are forecast and weather softwares included as well. So it's a very versatile and complete solution when you come to talk about navigation that's both voice-guided for driving as well as walking. But if I may, I'd like to also touch on Nokia messaging. One of the key challenges we've had in the past is how we can provide consumers with a messaging solution that is not only simple to use. As you know, and many of consumers that use Nokia know, simplicity and ease of use has been a key forte for the company. But the other challenge that we wanted to overcome, which we believe we've successfully done along with our partnership with STC, is we've made it affordable. One of the key challenges was always how can you allow people to access their email and chat services at an affordable amount. And with STC, with all JawalNet packages, you can now access Nokia messaging and chat starting at 10 riyals per month.
MashaAllah. I mean, this is, as you said, this is affordable for everybody. And, absolutely great. And we thank you for your appearance here on Up to Date. Thank you for updating us as well when it comes to the major corporation Nokia. Well, thank you very much for you being in Up to Date.
Thank you. It was a pleasure being on the show.
Great. With us, the viewers, was Mr. Kareem Moussa, who's the head of retail sales for Saudi Arabia and Yemen and Nokia. When it comes to us now, let's see exactly what we're talking about when it comes to that announcement. We go with the announcement in this short report, and as we'll see, Saudi Hummers and all those. It's a nice report. Just go see it. We'll be back telling you a bit of the new gadgets that we've got here in our studio. Stay with Up to Date. What was the big announcement today?
Okay. Today we have very, very important announcement for our consumer, which is that our navigation will be from now on free for all our consumers. This navigation includes navigation countries here and all around the world. And the user can benefit right from this free license navigation on currently 10 devices, and on the going we will expand it to expand all Nokia navigation devices. What's really important, just a small application for the consumer. They can get it from our OV website and download it to their mobile phone, and their mobile phone will be eligible for this free license expansion. Important thing that we have to announce here, that the new modification we did to our software, navigation software, that our navigation software will cause will use less data, internet data for the usage for the navigation. This means more cost efficient. This means more coverage around the world also. Also, our maps have been enhanced dramatically, and we are covering currently with Navtec maps more than 150 countries around the world.